Staying in Mexico and taking a look at other controversial legislation, this past June, Mexico's president signed into law a telecommunications reform which was celebrated as a vehicle to generate greater media competition. Many media watchdog groups decried the law as a form to emulate independent and community-based communication. Here's our correspondent Clayton Kahn.
Para los presos políticos.
Sabote Radio Mexico City is among a wide network of community-based and independent stations that many argue are fundamental for defending plurality and diversity in the country.
We aim to defend customs, defend language, defend culture and traditions, and that doesn't interest the big media monopolies. In fact, they seek the opposite. For them, if there is a more homogeneous society, a society in which they can sell their television trash, that's better for them.
Tengan una sociedad que les pueda vender sus productos chatarra televisivos, pues va a ser mejor.
Earlier this year, Mexico's Congress passed the president's Telecom reform, which media rights groups call an attack on independent media in defense of corporate communication networks.
It doesn't allow for community-based media to receive monetary sponsorship. That was something that existed before, after the Supreme Court ruled so in a different case. Now that door is closed and sponsorship is given to other media outlets, but not community-based media.
Some see the law as fundamentally discriminatory, as one article specifies that radio needs to be transmitted in the national language, Spanish.
They are trying to say that in these spaces that we have won, I can't do what I've done throughout my entire career, which is make indigenous languages heard. Enough of this racism and discrimination.
A group of community radio stations, journalists, and independent producers have filed a suit against the law, hoping for its suspension. Clayton Kahn, Telesur, Mexico City.